Russia's aerospace sector is making bold advancements in integrating unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, with manned fighter jets. One of the standout innovations is the S-70 Okhotnik-B, a stealth drone designed to collaborate seamlessly with Russia's Su-57 fighter jet. This collaboration represents a shift in the strategy of modern warfare, emphasizing the growing role of autonomous systems in traditional combat formations. The S-70 Okhotnik-B, also known as the Hunter, is a large, advanced stealth drone with a design that evokes comparisons to the US B-2 Spirit bomber. Developed by Sukhoi in collaboration with MiG, the drone is equipped with cutting-edge composite materials and radar-absorbing coatings that enhance its stealth capabilities. The drone weighs around 20 tons and boasts an impressive wingspan of almost 20 meters. Powered by the AL-31F turbofan engine, the Okhotnik can cruise at speeds up to 1,000 km per hour and reach altitudes of 12,000 meters. Its substantial range, approximately 4,000 kilometers, allows it to carry out long-duration reconnaissance missions and deep strikes without needing to refuel mid-flight. A major feature of the Okhotnik-B is its internal weapons bay, which allows it to remain undetected while carrying precision-guided bombs and missiles. Its sensor suite includes sophisticated electro-optical systems, synthetic aperture radar, and signals intelligence, enabling the drone to perform reconnaissance, electronic warfare, and precision strikes with ease. The drone's versatile capabilities also position it as an integral node within a networked battle space, providing real-time intelligence and operational flexibility. What sets the Okhotnik-B apart is its integration with the Su-57 fighter jet. The concept of using unmanned drones in conjunction with manned aircraft is transforming the dynamics of aerial combat. The Su-57 serves as a command center for the drones, directing them to perform missions such as scouting, electronic warfare, or high-risk strikes without putting the pilot in danger. This coordination allows for deeper penetration into contested airspace, enhancing Russia's ability to project power while safeguarding its human resources. Additionally, Russia is developing a two-seat variant of the Su-57 that can control up to 4 Okhotnik drones at once, facilitating complex swarming tactics and coordination during combat. By leveraging the drones as decoys, jammers, or attack assets, the Su-57 pilot can shape the battlefield while maintaining a safe distance from threats. The Okhotnik-B's operational journey has been marked by significant milestones, including its first flight in 2019 and a subsequent joint flight with the Su-57. However, the program has not been without its challenges. In October 2024, a Su-57 reportedly downed an Okhotnik drone over Ukraine to prevent its technology from falling into enemy hands, highlighting the strategic sensitivity of this technology. This development is part of a broader trend seen globally, with the United States and China also exploring similar unmanned combat air vehicle, UCAV, concepts. The U.S. has invested in loyal wingman drones like the Boeing MQ-28 Ghost Bat, designed to operate alongside F-35 and F-22 jets. Similarly, China has introduced the FH-97A drone, indicating its own interest in the evolving battlefield. The integration of UAVs into manned-unmanned teams offers several advantages, including increased force projection, reduced risk for human pilots, and enhanced mission flexibility. Drones can be equipped with specialized payloads, such as electronic warfare tools or long-range weapons, to meet specific mission requirements. Furthermore, the use of AI in managing these systems promises quicker decision-making and greater operational efficiency. In summary, Russia's S-70 Okhotnik-B drone marks a pivotal step in the future of aerial combat. While still in development, its integration with the Su-57 fighter jet could set the stage for future UCAV advancements worldwide, reshaping air warfare as we know it. If successful, the Okhotnik-B could serve as a blueprint for the next generation of unmanned aerial systems, redefining the role of drones in military operations.